In this video, we're going to look at the volume of cuboids. So it says find the volume of these cuboids. We've got so what you're trying to find here is how many centimeter squares actually fill up this cuboid. So a cuboid can be thought of as a box, sometimes known as a rectangular cuboid. So we've got this length here, or this width here, which is 3 centimeters. This is 8.5 centimeters, and this is 2 centimeters. Now, in order to find the volume of a cuboid, it's the length times the width times the height. Now, it doesn't actually really matter what you call the length, what you call the width, or what you call the height. So, for the sake of being complete, we're going to call this one here the longest side the length, this one the width, and this the height, because that fits in with the meaning of those words. So the volume of the first one is going to be equal to the length, which is 8.5, times the width, which is 3, times the height, which is 2. We multiply those three numbers together, we get 51 centimeters cubed. Note the units, okay? So the volume of the first one is 51 centimeters cubed. Going to the second one, so the volume of the cuboid is length times the width times the height. So we've got our cuboid here. Now these are all measured in meters this time, but this one will be the length, this is the width, and this is the height. So the volume will be, in this case, the 6 times the width, which is 4, times the height, which is 2, and that comes equal to 48 meters cubed. And again, note the units of meters cubed. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find volumes of cuboid. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.